know what we doing here, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. Today is a review on the Nike SB Dunk LA Dodgers. And these dropped last Saturday on the Sneakers app, and the Sneakers app was kind of weird last Saturday, man. I didn't even know these were coming out. These were there. The AJ4s, the black joints that everyone's going crazy about. Those were there, but it was lagging crazy. We got them though, man. And if you haven't, you can check out my review with the Jackie Robinson dunks. I even did a how to style on it. I'll put it somewhere up here. But they weren't SBs, and that was the issue. Of course, I copped them because it's Jackie Robinson, legendary, broke the color barrier. But when you want to think about an SB, it's levels to this, guys. Way different levels. So we're going to get into an early review on this. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Off pictures or even off like first sight, it looks like a regular SB dunk. You know, two colorways or whatever, but we gonna get detail under the microscope. It's a lot more to the sneaker than y'all know, man. So if you haven't, hit like, hit subscribe, and let's get into a full in-depth review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your purple box, and my last couple of SB dunks been coming in this bag. I kind of wishing they brought this quick strike box back. I feel like it didn't have a long shell life. I wish they could like bring this one back, but your Nike SB LA Dodgers come in a purple box. I guess this is the box for the year or for the last 2 years, it feel like. Nice purple though, glossy. Hey, beggars can't be choosy. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM Deep Royal Blue, and the code is D09395400. One thing of my gripe, man, is that why is SB not able to have like real collabs? If anybody can answer that in the comment section, I would appreciate it. Like the Bart Simpsons, the Dodgers, why can't it be like a real collab? As you can see, the Jackie Robs was a regular dunk and not an SB. So that's something to think about. Flip open the lid. I never understood what this design was. I just always said it was tree bark, right? Like it looks like the tree bark, as you can see there. But you got that tissue paper that you always get in the SB. And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the LA Dodger Nike SB Dunk. And in a couple of minutes, I'll let you know why we started with the left shoe. But it's detailing it. So I want to start right here with the swoosh. Now, if you can see, the nubuck suede of the sneaker and the swoosh is two different materials, guys. You see that? Two different materials. Now, the swoosh to me looks more of a ribbon look. I'm trying to get that. See that? It looks more of a ribbon, right? On top of the nubuck suede, and I love that material. So again, like I told y'all, just on first glance, it looks like a blue and white sneaker, but that detail right there is crazy. And the material is, that's just different, guys. Let's go to the toe box. You got a white toe box. Has that bounce back. Yes, that SB feel is there. With more of your nubuck suede on the toes, and I do see the deep royal or whatever color is set on the box. I see it, guys. Deep royal is there. Come down, you got your gum bottom, and who doesn't love a gum bottom, guys? The gum bottom brings out that blue and white perfect. So I said we starting with the left shoe because once you get to the top of that gum bottom, boom, a whole bunch of paint creeps in. Again, attention to details, guys. So the paint here is supposed to resemble bubble gum. You know that baseball players chew lots and lots of bubble gum while they are playing. This is a lot of bubble gum they stepped in. Like, you would stick to the ground if you stepped in this much bubble gum. But the attention to detail is super dope. And that paint creeping in on that gum bottom, which is like crazy gum bottom, paint gum. That's just crazy detail, guys. You see there, man, it's almost like a quarter of the bottom in that pink gum material. Getting towards the back, and I don't know if y'all watch a lot of my hottest styles, but I tell y'all, every time you got blue and white, it's always a hint of red, guys. Always. That's almost in everything, man. But in red, you got your classic Nike Dunk logo. I love this logo. I hope they never change it, man. It's just so classic and OG original. I love that. That's in red, and that's a nice red. And that's Dodger red, too. Again, if you check out my hottest style, I told y'all to get the blue and white Dodger jersey with the hint of red in it, because it's always a hint of red, guys. Here you go. It's a SB. So you got your fat pillow tongue. I love this tongue, man. This is what make SB SB. Again, you got a hint of red. Nike SB. Blue tag. It reads Dunk Low Pro. Very, very small under the Nike SB logo. And the whole tongue is white. On the back of the tongue, it says, welcome. And a nice baby blue, white font, blue tag. I guess Nike is done with shoelace bags. It hurts the environment, and I'm cool with that. But on all SBs, they usually come tied like this anyway. Very rare you saw a bag on the SBs. They always come clipped like this. I remember my Chunky Dunkies, man. Every color was, it was a lot to do to get all this out. But this looks simple. So it comes laced in your blue laces, the same as the sneaker. But they give you options. You got white here, you got red here. You know me personally, I'm going with the red. I love the red, white, and blue look, man. I just love that look. White probably won't. It's already a lot of white in the sneaker. So me personally, I'm going blue or red. Let me know in the comment section below what shoelaces y'all going with first. But I'm going blue or red. So now this is both shoes in hand. As I told you, the right shoe, I've been saying left shoe the whole video. The right shoe has the gum at the bottom. The left shoe does not. As you can see there. The right shoe had welcome on the back of the tongue. And the left shoe has a palm tree. If you ever been to LA, you know palm trees, man. It's the first thing you see as soon as you get off the airplane, man. Nice palm trees. So that's dope. Let's get into the inside, being that it's an SB. The inside reads Air Zoom. Of course, all Nike SB Dunks have that zoom technology, but it reads Air Zoom there in a nice air font. In a nice font. I know upside down like this, it looks like it reads Air Mode, but it actually says Air Zoom. Nike Air SB logo on the back. Blue, same as the sneaker, but you can kind of see the cushion there from the technology made for the skateboarders. Protects your Achilles and ankles perfect, man. I can vouch for that. I want to talk about the tips real quick on the shoelaces. The blue ones that it come with, the tips are white. That's Dodge is perfect. But the other ones, the red has like a pinkish tip. Well, it might just be clear, but the red is just bleeding through. And then the white has blue tips. So you got white with blue tips, red with red tips I'm going to go with. And then blue with white tips, guys. They could have did better with these red tips. Look at this. I'm still going red, guys. Yeah, man. So this is a review on the Nike SB Dunk Dodgers. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Right now, StockX got these for about $285. GOAT has these for about $300. I don't even want to say nothing because I thought the Bart Simpsons was going to be a $500 sneaker when I did an early review of them, and they happened to go all the way down to $220. So I'm kind of confused with this one right here. I mean, being that there's so many alternatives, like if you're looking at the Jackie Ross right now, that's a $400 shoe. Right now, these are $300. I say they may go up to $350. I do not see them dropping like the Bart Simpsons, guys. That I do not. I don't even know why that sneaker dropped like that, but I don't see that happening here, especially with the World Series, the playoffs around the corner. The Dodgers do good. This sneaker is going to be one of those ones, man. So I say buy now, buy early, but I'm really not sure, guys. Y'all know I'm always going to keep it 100% with y'all. I'm really not too sure. Let me do some more research. But as far as the quality of the sneaker, no glue stains. I like this, man. Like the material, the bubble gum, the extra shoelaces. They give us everything we could for $130 price tag or what so. So yeah, man, I'm vouching for these. I like these. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Hit subscribe. You know I had a stylist coming for this. So if you're feeling dangerous, hit the notification bell. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.